here we go. It's another beautiful day here in the Ohio Valley. It's the 12th of August, and you can see the record high set on this day back in 1944 of 99 degrees, and the record low of 39 set back in 1930. We're going to push the button, and that will advance us to the number of 90-degree days that we have had over each decade for the last 110 years. And as you can see, in the 1930s, 1940s, 1950s, 1920s, many more 90-degree days being reported around here than we've seen over the last 30 or 40 years. These are numbers for July. So if you were living here back in the 1930s, you could average about 13 days per July. Almost 42% of the days in July were 90 or above. Well, we move on a little bit here and go to the month of August. And once again, we see 30s, 40s, 50s, a lot more 90-degree days. If you look back in the 30s in August, you would have averaged 9 90-degree days. So just those 2 months alone, you would have averaged over 20 90-degree days per July-August time period. Meanwhile, over the last 30 or 40 years, not much in terms of 90-degree days. Outside right now, we're looking at another non-90-degree day. 79 degrees being reported right now in New Martinsville, Washington, Wheeling. We have 78 Steubenville and Cambridge, and 80 in Morgantown. Winds, well, they're coming in generally out of the east and northeast, 6 to 9 miles an hour. Nice breeze, not too strong. Dew points are still very low. Humidity levels down. As you step outside after working in air conditioning all day, you don't get hit with this huge sauna of high humidity. Well, here's what we're looking at. You can see out to the west, we're getting to see more showers, and the clouds are approaching from the west, and it's just a matter of time before it starts raining around here again. I think that'll be happening tomorrow night. Here's our national view of the temperatures, and once again, we're looking seasonal, maybe a little bit cooler than average for the northern third of the U.S., near average right down here. Our average high right now, I think, is 84. Today we'll get up to about 80, 81. Meanwhile, the super hot heat mastery, terrible stuff continues there in North Texas, 101 degrees right now, as we're speaking, Dallas, Texas. Now, as you look at the high heat and humidity, it's beginning, the darker greens beginning to move up into Missouri and Kansas, and it's possible some of that higher humidity will be moving our way as we go late Saturday into Sunday, but don't worry, predictors predicting that the humidity levels will drop again. Heat advisories are fewer than we had a couple of days ago, right up along the Red River there between Texas and Oklahoma, down there in South Texas, and also the Gulf Coast area. It's very dry down here. Florida, Alabama, into a little bit of Mississippi and Louisiana, and down in the coastal Texas. Very, very dry and hot. Well, anyway, we'll move on to the satellite view, and you can see more clouds. There's a low up here, and there's also something developing right now in the Mississippi Valley. We'll go to Predictor. Predictor shows the primary low. The upper level low is up here. The primary low is down a little bit further south in northern parts of Missouri. High pressure protects us. And then we get into Saturday, 4 p.m., it's possible we could still be dry around here. Not bad. But as we go Saturday night into Sunday, it looks like a good chance for rain, some soaking rains. Here we are at 4 p.m. on Sunday, still showing rain in the area. Well, let's see. Outdoor activities, Saturday looks better than Sunday. We get into Monday and still got a few lingering showers, cool temperatures, highs struggling to get into the mid-70s. And then beautiful weather comes in for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. But eventually, we'll get another little system that'll try to boost some moisture our way, and I do expect some showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder Thursday and Friday. So there's your 7-day forecast. Looks like tomorrow may turn out to be the warmest day we'll see over the next 7, and 83 is still, that's near average. The average high around 84. And you can see the rain, best chance for it comes Saturday night into Sunday. Let's go, sundown Saturday until noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock Sunday. Best chance for your soaking rain. Hopefully we'll get a third to a half inch of rain, but we don't want much more than that.